Hey, baby.
Hi. Filming video?
Am I what?
Filming video?
Maybe.
I think you are. Sorry, that's what I do when I yawn.
Yeah.
I sing opera.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
And what else?
What else do I do when I yawn?
Yeah.
Get oxygen to my muscles.
Yeah.
Look awesome.
Yeah.
From a distance, I probably look like I'm screaming or yelling sadly.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah. Yeah, I know.
I can't think of anything else.
Oh.
I've thought about it more
Mm-hmm.
after you said, what else do you do? And then my brain started going and I thought about the oxygen thing and then from a distance thing. But after that, I don't have any other thoughts on it.
Mm-hmm.
That light just turned off. Max!
Max.
Come here, Max. Max!
Look at Mommy.
Max! Max!
Look at Mommy.
Max!
Huh? Hi.
Max! Come here, baby.
Yeah, he's
meow,
cute.
meow. Meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow. Look, it's coming. Meow, meow, meow. Max. Meow, meow. Meow, meow. Meow, meow. Hi. Hi. Hi, Max. Hello, my precious little angel. Hi. Hi, Max. Our cat.